In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add videos and pictures over other video in Canva. By the end, you will know exactly how to layer media for picture-in-picture effects, quick cutaways, or branded graphics that sit neatly on top of your main video. Start by opening Canva and choosing a video format. This creates a clean blank editor that's sized for video, so everything you add will fit your project without extra setup. Next, bring in your main video. If you've already recorded or downloaded it, head to Uploads, add your file, and drag it onto the canvas. If you'd prefer to use stock, go to Elements and search for a video that suits your project. Drop the clip onto the canvas so it becomes the base layer you'll build on. Now let's add your overlay media. For a video overlay, go to Elements and search for what you need, or open Uploads to use your own. For a photo overlay, you can do the same. Choose an image from Elements or from Uploads. Once your overlay appears on the canvas, click it to select it. Use the corner handles to resize while keeping proportions looking natural, and then drag to position it where you want it to sit over the main video top corner for picture-in-picture, centered for emphasis, or anywhere that keeps your subject visible and your composition balanced. As you move things around, pay attention to the smart guides that appear. They help you align overlays cleanly so your layout feels intentional. To control exactly when your overlay appears, right-click the overlay element and choose Show Timing. You will see a purple bar at the bottom of the editor that belongs to that overlay. Drag the ends of the bar to set the start and end points, and slide the whole bar left or right to line it up with the moment you want. This is great for quick callouts, reaction shots, or images that only need to be visible for a short section. Take a moment to match the duration to the story you are telling, so the overlay supports the main video rather than distracting from it. If you want a stylized look, you can give your overlay a specific shape using frames. In the Elements tab, search for frames. Pick a shape like a circle for a classic picture-in-picture and then drop your overlaid video or photo into it. Resize and position the framed overlay just like before for a polished, consistent finish. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.